Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing 50 current affairs for competitive exam. So let's start the quiz. First, India becomes the fourth country to test anti-satellite missile system named option A Mission Rohini, B Mission Bhaskara, C Mission Shakti, D Mission Oceansat. Correct answer is C Mission Shakti. Second, which is the world's first district with 5G coverage? Option A Washington, B Seoul, C Tokyo, D Shanghai. Correct answer is D Shanghai. Third, who built the longest suspension bridge, Maitri Bridge, over the Indus River in the Leh Ladakh region? Option A Indian Navy, B Indian Army, C Indian Coast Guard, D National Security Guard. The correct answer is B Indian Army. Fourth, name of the city which becomes first city in the world to use pollution charge zone. Option A London, B New York, C Dubai, D Moscow. The correct answer is A London. Fifth, Pfizer India has appointed Dash as the chairman of its board. Option A R.A. Shah, B D.V. Prasad, C Rana Kapoor, D G.R. Chintala, E Pradeep Shah. The correct answer is E Pradeep Shah. Sixth, which of the following has collaborated with PhonePe, AWS, and EY to organize a 3 week long virtual summit FinTech Open? Option A SBI, B World Bank, C RBI, D Niti Aayog. E Ministry of Finance. The correct answer is D Niti Aayog. Seventh, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Uttarakhand ahead of the 2022 assembly elections? Option A Akshay Kumar, B Rohit Sharma, C Alia Bhatt, D Bhumi Pednekar, E Neeraj Chopra. The correct answer is A Akshay Kumar. 8. Who among the following has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bata India? Option A Neeraj Chopra, B Disha Patani, C Farhan Akhtar, D Rahul Dravid, E PV Sindhu. Correct answer is B Disha Patani. 9. Kanchot festival is celebrated in which of the following state? Option A Jammu and Kashmir, B Arunachal Pradesh, C Nagaland, D Manipur, E Sikkim. The correct answer is A Jammu and Kashmir. 10th, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of MediBuddy? Option A Virat Kohli, B Akshay Kumar, C Amitabh Bachchan, D John Abraham, E Shah Rukh Khan. The correct answer is C Amitabh Bachchan. 11th, what amount has been allocated to Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana till 2026? Correct answer is A rupees 4600 crore. 12th, the joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha under Article 108 is summoned by the President. 13. Who appoints the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, B Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, C Prime Minister of India, D President of India. The correct answer is D President of India. 14. In which of the following states does the monsoon arrive first? Option A Assam, B West Bengal, C Maharashtra, D Kerala. Correct answer is D Kerala. 15. Who among the following has called the Government of India Act 1935 as the Charter of Slavery? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B M.A. Jinnah, C Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Correct answer is A Jawaharlal Nehru. 16. A group of 3 diseases spread by mosquitoes is. Correct answer is C malaria, dengue, chikungunya. 17. The Naga Arjuna Sagar project is constructed on the river. Option A Kaveri, B Godavari, C Krishna, D Indus. Correct answer is C Krishna. 18. The game of polo was introduced in India by option A Unani, B Britishers, C Turks, D Mughals. The correct answer is C. Turks. 19. Which among the following dams has been built over Chambal River? Option A Gandhi Sagar Dam, B Jawahar Sagar Dam, C Kota Barrage, D all of the above. Correct answer is D all of the above. 20. Dargah of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia is situated in option A Agra, B Ajmer, C Delhi, D Fatehpur. The correct answer is C Delhi. 21. Senior bureaucrat Dash has been appointed as chairman of SSC. Correct answer is C. S. Kishore. 22. Which state chief minister has announced new IT for next 5 years to generate 1 lakh new IT policy for the next 5 years to generate 1 lakh employment? Option A Himachal Pradesh, B Uttar Pradesh, C Gujarat, D Madhya Pradesh, E Maharashtra. Correct answer is C Gujarat. 23. Who has been appointed as the secretary in the Department of Financial Services in the Ministry of Finance? Option A Debashish Panda, B Anurag Jain, C Tarun Bajaj, D Sanjay Malhotra, E Gaurav Chopra. Correct answer is D Sanjay Malhotra. 24. India's first commercial scale biomass based hydrogen plant will come up in which state? Correct answer is B Madhya Pradesh. 25th. Which platform has launched the campaign named Take a Break? Option A Google, B Twitter, C WhatsApp, D Instagram, E Meta. Correct answer is D Instagram. 26. What was the rank of Reserve Bank of India in terms of buying gold among the world central bank in 2021? Correct answer is B second. 27. Which company has bought a majority stake in a Malaysian payment startup named Curlec? Option A BillDesk, B PhonePe, C Paytm, D Razorpay, E NPCI. The correct answer is D Razorpay. 28. Which one of the following is the National Voters' Day? Correct answer is C 25th January. 29. Teak forest is found in which of the following states of India? Option A MP, B Bihar, C Chhattisgarh, D Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is A Madhya Pradesh. 30. Who among the following was the first tribal speaker of Lok Sabha? Correct answer is D P.A. Sangama. 31. Which of the following countries produces maximum vegetables in the world? Option A USA, B Brazil, C India, D China. The correct answer is D China. 32. In India, money and credit is controlled by the option A Central Bank of India, B Industrial Development Bank of India, C Reserve Bank of India, D State Bank of India. The correct answer is C Reserve Bank of India. 33. Name the best potato variety for processing purposes. Correct answer is C Kufri Chipsona 2. 34. Which Governor General has abolished slavery? Correct answer is B Lord Ellenborough. 35. Who has been appointed Chief Justice of the Madras High Court recently? Correct answer is A Munishwar Nath Bhandari. 36. Which of the following banks has partnered with NSC Academy to launch 5 online courses to promote financial literacy? Option A Indian Bank, B Indian Overseas Bank, C State Bank of India, D Central Bank of India, E Canara Bank. The correct answer is C State Bank of India. 37. As per the TomTom Traffic Index Ranking 2021, Mumbai has been ranked at. Correct answer is E 5th. 38. India's first bullet train station will come up at which place? Option A Dadra and Nagar Haveli, B Pune, C Ahmedabad, D Mumbai, E Surat. Correct answer is E Surat. 39. Which act of British government granted rupees 1 lakh for education in India for the first time? Correct answer is B Charter Act 1813. 40. The National Center of Organic Farming is located at option A Pune, B New Delhi, C Ghaziabad, D Nagpur. Correct answer is C Ghaziabad. 41. Mahaparinirvana temple is located at option A Kushinagar, B Sarnath, C Bodh Gaya, D Shravasti. Correct answer is A Kushinagar. 42. The Sino-Indian border conflict was a war between China and India that occurred in. Correct answer is B 1962. 43. Name the first person from Bollywood to feature on the cover of Time magazine. Correct answer is D. Praveen Babi. 44. The Gir National Park and the Sasan Gir Sanctuary of Gujarat are the only wildlife sanctuaries in India that have option A Bengal tigers, B Asiatic lions, C one horn rhinos, D black buck. Correct answer is B Asiatic lions. 45. Malayalam is primarily spoken in which state? Option A Assam, B Rajasthan, C Kerala, D Karnataka. Correct answer is C Kerala. 46. Agra Fort was built by option A Humayun, B Akbar, C Babur, D Aurangzeb. Correct answer is B Akbar. 47. Indian National Women's Day is observed every year on 13th February to commemorate the birth anniversary of. Answer is E. Sarojini Naidu. 48. India will help which country to launch a unitary digital identity framework modeled on the Aadhaar card? Correct answer is E. Sri Lanka. 49. Which state government has signed a 3-year MOU with the British Council to renew the partnership in education, English and arts? Correct answer is A. Telangana. 50. Name the chairman of Tata Sons who has been reappointed by the board for second 5-year term. Option A Cyrus Mistry, B Ratan Tata, C N Chandrasekaran, D Navroji Saklatwala, E Vinod Sharma. Correct answer is C N Chandrasekaran. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.